Hello everyone, I'm Angelisa Kaasi and I'm going to discuss uncommonly used Filipino words, definition, and examples. So first, duyog eclipse. An occasion when the sun looks like it is completely or partially covered with a dark circle because the moon is between the sun and the earth. Example, marami ang namamangha sa duyog. So, second, Solatroniko, email, a system for sending message from one computer to another computer. Example, ako'y nagpadala sa Solatroniko ng aking mensahe sa aking guro. So, third, labaha, razor, a can-edge cutting instrument for shaving or cutting hair. Example, ginamit ko ang labaha sa CR upang ipangahit sa aking balbas.